For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Madras High Court Judge Justice S.M. Subramaniam has written to Chief Justice Amreshwar Pratap Sahi seeking to initiate contempt proceedings against actor Surya. This comes after Surya issued a statement hitting out against conducting the medical entrance exam NEET. In a statement, Surya had strongly criticized the need for conducting the NEET exam during adverse conditions. 4 students who were to appear for NEET exam died by suicide last week in Tamil Nadu. In a statement, Surya had lashed out at court decision. He questioned the judges who dispensed justice via video conference, asking students to go and write exams in examination centers. My conscience is shaken after 3 students killed themselves over the fear of NEET exam. It brings so much pain when students are forced to write an exam even at the times of life-threatening pandemic. With the fear of life due to corona scare, the court, which dispenses justice via video conferencing, orders students to fearlessly go and take exams. Surya also requested parents and teachers to be more vigilant and help students deal with failures. Madras High Court Judge S.M. Subramaniam said that the actor's statement was in contempt of court as it undermined the judicial system. The said statement, in my considered opinion, amounts to contempt of court, as the integrity and devotion of the honorable judges as well as the judicial system of our great nation are not only undermined but criticized in a bad shape, wherein there is a threat for the public confidence on the judiciary. Surya is one of few celebrities who have spoken out against NEET exams in the recent past. Several netizens came out in support of Surya after judge demanded contempt of court against actor. Hashtag Tamil Nadu stands with Surya. A great respect with you, Surya, for raising voice against NEET and helping poor students for their education through Agaram Vision. Meanwhile, DMK and CPIM have also given adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha over the suicide of students due to NEET. Politicians in Tamil Nadu are also wearing a mask with "Ban NEET, Save TN Students." Several non-BJP ruled states had been to the Apex Court asking it to defer the JEE and NEET examinations. The Supreme Court had twice rejected the petitions to defer the exams, once by students and the second time by opposition ruled states.